You must be thinking, what am I thinking or what have I come here for? Actually, I am come here for the interconnectedness of celestial bodies. I am going to tell you the interconnectedness of the celestial bodies. First example, I'll line-wise tell you the examples. So the first example is because of the sun. If there was not sun, then there would be no other planets in the solar system. How? I must tell you now. See, why will there be no planets? There will be planets, but they will be roaming here, like that. They'll be clashing also sometimes, because when the sun is not there, that just has process like this. When you have sun, the process goes orbiting. But when you don't have the sun, then you'll go just clashing, going here and there. Okay, so this was my first example. Now I'm going to tell you the second example. If there would be no moon in the earth, it would be full of darkness only. Why am I telling this? Is because I really have ever noticed this, because when we don't have light in our house, it's just same like the moon. Light is same like the moon. So if we are full of darkness and little light is on, so then also you have a light for yourself. But now when you don't have the light over here, then what will you do? It will be full of darkness. Even not a single moonlight will come. Okay, now I move on to my third example. My third example is, if there would be no earth, what's the use of the moon? Even what's the use of the sun? First I'll talk with the moon. See, if there was no earth, then what's the use of the moon giving the light to something? Because you know the earth takes the light from the moon, and the moon orbits the sun. Then what's the use of orbiting the moon orbits the earth? So what's the use of orbiting the earth if you don't have a earth? And now for the sun. If there was no sun or earth, the same thing would happen. There would be no light. And for the earth, if there would be no earth, why will the sun give the light to the earth? And there would be no earth because there would be no sun. That's what. Earth and sun are really interdependent, because if there was no sun, there would have been no light. And if there was no earth, there would have been, you would have not got light anytime.